boys and girls, we want to play. I got stickers and I'm not feeling very well. I got stickers. That is, what's that? Two.
How many rocks have you got?
4, 6.
So you got 3.
Yeah.
3 rocks.
Yeah, for the bottom, for the sun.
You got
I got rocks for the sun.
4 rocks.
I got that another thing for the Catherine make a song for me.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm making pathway for the
Okay.
bee.
So,
I made a bee.
right, what else have you got?
Blue,
That is
blue,
glitter glue.
glitter glue.
Yeah.
Glitter glue.
You got glitter.
Glitter.
Oh look. What are they?
Eyes.
Eyes.
Yeah. And stickers.
And you got
What?
paintbrush.
Paper.
Okay. And what's this?
And colouring.
The paints.
Pink.
Okay. These are the instructions.
Yes.
And this is the box.
Yeah.
Put the box in. So it says use the paint mixing guide.
What a paper?
Okay. So before you use this and this and this and this,
What a brush?
you need to.
What a paper?
Would you like some paper
Yeah.
to put here
Yeah.
so it doesn't get dirty?
Okay.
That's very clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you some paper.
And here. And in here.
No, there's no paper.
Okay.
So you need to.
The paper in the kitchen.
Really?
Yeah, the green one.
You need to.
Not the paper.
No. You need to paint all of this first.
Yeah.
Then when it dries,
Yes.
you can put this on there.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So do you want me to help you or are you going to do it by yourself?
Want to do it?
By yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do that.
Let me go and get you some tissue paper, okay?
Okay. Tissue paper.
You can open the paints.
Okay. It's not working.
I'll help you in a minute.
Okay. Let's use yellow.
Do you want to do yellow?
Yes.
Well done.
Yellow is my favorite.
Well done. So here's the tissue.
Oh, sorry. We need a bit.
Oh, careful.
Sorry.
So, right, let's put these rocks. We don't need these at the moment.
Please.
Let's put these rocks here on the
Okay.
box. Do one rock at a time. Right, do you want me to open it all?
Yes.
All of them?
Yes. Please.
Well done. That's
Oh.
what colour is that?
Black.
Well done. And the next colour?
And white.
Well done. And the next one?
And red.
Well done. The next one?
And yellow.
Well done. And the next one?
Green.
Well done. And?
Green.
Oh my God, you're so good.
The pink into the red. Can I take the rock? Can I stand?
Yeah, that's it.
I can sit.
Okay, right. So,
Are you?
keep falling.
Are you?
Which colour are you using? Oh, you have to hold it.
What am I painting?
Painting a rock.
I'm painting a medicine. I'm making.
Can you show the boys and girls on the camera what you're doing?
Yes.
Shall I do it?
Yeah.
So,
Boys and girls, I draw a pink, a foot.
a rock.
I made a tiny fairy.
Making a tiny fairy.
I made a foot.
Okay. Shall I do one?
No,
Okay.
I can't do it by myself.
You're going to do it all by yourself?
Yeah. For my birthday,
This was your birthday present?
yeah. 30, Mommy.
That's okay. Careful, put it on the tissue.
1, 2, 1.
You got two?
Yeah.
So, what have you been doing?
I'm making. Oh. Ah, look.
Right, so shall I do a little bit? Shall I make it soft? So then it dries and you can do the next one?
Yes.
Okay. So if you put it back onto the paper, have you put it back on the paper for a second?
Okay.
Yeah, just put it on. So you need to, I'll show you. If you, make
How to
it,
do it?
you need to make it straight.
There.
I'll show you.
Oh. Can I do it? Running right up.
Okay, so let's put it on the other tissue.
Yeah.
Let it dry.
Yes, one doing 2 paper.
And do the next one.
Okay.
Right, do you want to do one colour? Do you want to just do it all one colour?
I want to do green.
Okay, do all of it green then.
Okay. Oh!
Oh wow. Okay, don't mix the colours, just do all green. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you get it. Okay. Now do all of it green.
That's my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend is really boring.
All of it. Do all of it. Well done. Crazy, 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 crazy. Careful.
I need glitter for.
We'll do that in a minute. Here.
What?
You need more green.
For the blue?
No, do more all of it green first. Look. Do it how I did it. Oh God, you've got paint everywhere. You're going to wash your hands after?
Give me glitter second.
You have to let it dry. No, you can't put it on there. You have to let the paint dry first.
No, I need glitter.
You can't do the glitter yet. You do the paint first,
Okay.
and then you do the glitter.
Okay.
So here, look. You do like this.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. You need to do this bit here. Yes, well done. Are you putting paint on your hands?
Yes, I want to make it. So, I need more green.
You need more green, yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, don't get yellow yet.
I need yellow for the blue. The colours.
You're mixing the colours. Okay, let's let that dry now.
I need glitter for that.
So, look, I'll just do this quickly.
I need to put colours back.
The thing is, if you mix the colours, yeah,
I want to do it.
I'm just going to let it dry. I'm going to let it dry. Careful, careful. Okay, so do the
No,
next.
no, no.
You have to let it dry.
Oh, okay.
Do the next one. Do this all red. Do it all red. So put the.
Oh.
It's okay, look. brush. And then here, shall I get the red for you? That's not nice.
You're not doing. We're not getting a present for you for your birthday.
When's my birthday?
No, for Monday. Saturday. Do you make colours?
You're mixing the colours again.
You got black and red and green and yellow.
It's amazing.
Yeah, black and white and black, yellow, white, red, and yellow, green, and blue.
Well done. You did that all by yourself?
Yeah,
That's so good.
yeah, that colour, that flower.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you clever?
Yeah. Look what's working.
Yeah.
It's not working. It is working.
Okay, well done. You did all of it.
Yeah.
So good. And you did it all right.
Yeah.
Do the sides.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. You know what we should do?
Wash their hands. What do you want to have?
No, it's okay. Wash your hands after. You didn't dry you didn't
Put
an apron on.
and then you get an apron.
I haven't got one.
You then got one.
That's your cooking apron.
Okay. For my tunnel.
Okay. This one. Do you want to paint it or do you want to put the glitter on?
On the bottom.
You want to put the glitter on.
I'm making a fairy garden.
You're making a fairy garden. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, now, look, I'll show you.
Oh.
If I can show you, please.
No. No.
Don't put too much on.
I'm making a fairy garden, my favorite. I've got blue here. You could, I give that letter. So that there.
Oh, it's glue for the eyes. Okay, that's enough. Where's the lid? You have the lid. Okay. Now use a brush and paint it.
Okay. With the paint.
Yeah. No, like that. Paint it. Oh, sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Put it all up.
Why would we take it off?
Paint
Look, I
it.
painted it.
Put it.
I'm painting it all. Okay.
Then we need this. Can I put it water?
Be very careful.
Okay.
There you go.
I'll be very careful.
I'm going to close the paints now, okay?
Yeah.
So then they don't get dry.
Let's put stickers on. You get the button and I'm getting the stickers on. The stickers.
They're not glitters, these are gems.
Gems.
These are gems. Oh yeah.
Germs.
Wow.
Oh my god, guys. Guys, these are times we have I break it.
Do you want some help? Do we help you?
I got
Have you done it?
Yeah. Take it. That's the car. That.
No, don't get the tissue.
You did it for me.
It's because it's wet. No, use all the different.
With my daddy. Who's that? Is that my daddy?
No.
Who's someone? Who's that? Who's that?
Here's a parcel.
Parcel? Parcel? The parcel?
So the reason why it's not sticking is because it's wet. You're not being patient.
Size
We can use these.
to the eyes. Ah. There's a kiss. Oh, look. What kind of stuff? I think I'm messy. I think I'm messy. Maybe that in the fingers. The buzzer. I'm going to my phone.